In this video, we aim to introduce the topic of building wealth through simple yet effective habits. Our focus will be on sharing 5 key habits that can significantly contribute to achieving $1 million net worth. Understanding the importance of financial literacy is crucial, as it empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their money and investments. Wealth-building strategies are not just for the affluent. They can be adopted by anyone willing to learn and apply them consistently. By cultivating these habits, viewers can take control of their financial futures and work towards their wealth goals. We promise to provide practical tips that you can implement immediately, making it easier for you to start your journey toward financial independence. Whether you're just beginning to explore your financial options or looking to refine your existing strategies, these habits will serve as a solid foundation for your wealth-building efforts. We believe that small, consistent actions can lead to significant results over time, and our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to make those actions a reality. So, if you're ready to transform your financial life and set yourself on the path to $1 million net worth, stay tuned as we delve into these 5 impactful habits. Remember, building wealth is not an overnight process, but with dedication and the right approach, you can achieve your financial dreams. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Living without debt is a foundational habit for building wealth, and it's a principle that resonates deeply with this approach to financial management. Personally, I've witnessed the transformative power of eliminating debt in my own life. This approach emphasizes that living debt-free not only alleviates financial stress, but also opens up a world of opportunities. When you're not burdened by monthly debt payments, you free up your income for more productive uses, such as investing in assets that appreciate over time. This shift allows for better investment opportunities, enabling you to grow your wealth more effectively. Imagine having the ability to invest in stocks, real estate, or even your own business without the constraints of debt hanging over your head. The benefits of a debt-free lifestyle extend beyond just financial freedom. It also fosters a sense of security and peace of mind. I encourage viewers to start making conscious decisions to avoid accumulating more debt. This might mean reevaluating your spending habits, creating a budget, or even seeking financial education resources. By prioritizing a debt-free life, you set the stage for long-term wealth accumulation and financial stability. Remember, every small step you take towards living without debt is a step towards a brighter financial future. Embrace this habit, and you'll find that the path to wealth becomes much clearer and more attainable. Let's commit to making choices today that will lead us to a prosperous tomorrow, free from the shackles of debt. Living below one's means is crucial for achieving financial stability, and one of the most effective tools for managing spending is budgeting. By creating a budget, you can gain a clear understanding of your income and expenses, allowing you to allocate funds wisely and save for emergencies. Budgeting helps you track where your money goes, ensuring that you prioritize essential expenses while minimizing unnecessary spending. This practice not only fosters discipline, but also empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Setting financial goals is equally important. These goals provide direction and motivation, helping you stay committed to your budget. Whether your aim is to build an emergency fund, save for a vacation, or invest for the future, having specific targets can guide your spending habits and keep you accountable. Sticking to a budget may seem challenging at times, but the rewards of financial stability are well worth the effort. To enhance your budgeting experience, consider utilizing resources like Every Dollar, a user-friendly budgeting app that simplifies the process. Every Dollar allows you to create personalized budgets, track your expenses, and adjust your spending in real time. By leveraging such tools, you can make budgeting a seamless part of your financial routine. Remember, living below your means doesn't mean sacrificing your quality of life. Rather, it's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Embrace the habit of budgeting, set clear financial objectives, and watch as you pave the way toward lasting financial stability and peace of mind. Comparing ourselves to others financially can be a dangerous trap, especially in today's world where social media plays a significant role in shaping our perceptions of wealth and success. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook often showcase curated glimpses of people's lives, leading us to believe that everyone else is living a life of luxury and abundance. This constant exposure can distort our self-worth and create feelings of inadequacy, making us feel as though we're falling behind. It's essential to recognize that everyone's financial journey is unique, influenced by various factors such as personal circumstances, goals, and values. Instead of measuring your success against others, I encourage you to focus on your own financial path and aspirations. Set realistic goals that align with your values and work diligently towards achieving them. Remember, true financial success is not about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about finding contentment and peace in your personal financial decisions. Embrace the idea that your worth is not defined by your bank account or material possessions. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and appreciate the steps you take toward financial stability and independence. By shifting your focus inward and prioritizing your own journey, you can cultivate a healthier mindset that fosters growth and satisfaction. Ultimately, the key to financial well-being lies in understanding that everyone's path is different, and finding joy in your own achievements will lead to a more fulfilling and prosperous life. Investing is a crucial strategy for growing wealth over time, and understanding the significance of compound interest is key to maximizing your financial potential. Compound interest is the process where the money you earn on your investments generates additional earnings over time. Essentially, it means that you earn interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates, leading to exponential growth. For example, if you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%, after 1 year, you'll have $1,050. In the second year, you earn interest on the entire $1,050, not just the original $1,000, which accelerates your wealth-building journey. This is why starting to invest early is so important. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow through compounding. There are various investment vehicles available that can help you take advantage of compound interest, such as Roth IRAs. A Roth IRA allows your investments to grow tax-free, meaning you won't pay taxes on your earnings when you withdraw them in retirement. This can significantly enhance your overall returns, making it an attractive option for long-term investors. I encourage viewers to take action and start investing as early as possible. Even small contributions can add up over time thanks to the power of compounding. By prioritizing investments now, you set yourself up for a more secure financial future. Remember, the earlier you start, the more wealth you can accumulate, paving the way for financial independence and peace of mind. Patience and long-term planning are essential components of achieving financial success. Yet many people fall into the pitfalls of instant gratification, which can severely impact their financial health. In a world where immediate satisfaction is often just a click away, it's easy to prioritize short-term desires over long-term goals. For instance, I remember when my family decided to save for a pool. Initially, the temptation to splurge on smaller luxuries was strong, but we realized that these impulsive purchases would delay our dream. By committing to a savings plan and resisting the urge for instant gratification, we eventually reached our goal and enjoyed countless summer days by the pool. This experience taught me the value of patience and the rewards that come from long-term planning. It's crucial for viewers to understand that significant financial achievements often require time and dedication. Setting long-term financial goals, such as saving for a home, retirement, or education, can provide direction and motivation. By breaking these goals into manageable steps, you can create a roadmap that keeps you focused and committed. I encourage viewers to reflect on their financial aspirations and consider the importance of patience in reaching them. Remember, the journey to financial success is not a sprint, but a marathon. By prioritizing long-term planning and resisting the allure of instant gratification, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. Stay committed to your goals, and the rewards will be well worth the wait. In this video, we've explored 5 essential habits that can significantly contribute to building wealth: living debt-free, budgeting, avoiding comparison, investing, and embracing long-term thinking. Each of these habits plays a vital role in creating a solid financial foundation. Living debt-free allows you to free up your income for savings and investments, while budgeting helps you manage your spending effectively. Avoiding the trap of comparison enables you to focus on your unique financial journey, fostering contentment and peace in your decisions. Investing wisely, particularly by taking advantage of compound interest, can lead to substantial growth over time. Lastly, adopting a long-term perspective encourages patience and commitment to your financial goals, steering you away from the pitfalls of instant gratification. Now that we've discussed these key points, I encourage you to take actionable steps towards your financial goals. Start by assessing your current financial situation and identifying which habits you can implement today. Whether it's creating a budget, setting up an investment account, or simply committing to living within your means, every small step counts. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who may benefit from these insights. We have plenty more content available that dives deeper into each of these topics, so be sure to explore our channel for additional resources. Together, let's embark on this journey toward financial success and empowerment.